Hi guys, welcome to the training kitchen. I've got Sally with me today, so we're going to be doing some cooking with Sally and Steve. Sally, do you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, I think most of juniors know me, quite a few seniors, but hi, I'm Sally. I'm normally in the training kitchen on a Wednesday, and Jill sent me a challenge. She said, could I teach Steve how to cook? You admit you do things in the oven, things in the microwave.
Yeah, so I've got next to no experience or knowledge of cooking, so Jill thought it would be quite funny to set Sally the challenge to teach me how to cook. So each week moving forward we're going to be cooking different things and Sally's going to be teaching me how to cook these things. So let's see how it goes. I'm excited, a little bit nervous. How about you, Sally?
I'm keeping away from the flour.
Brilliant. So I think today what we're going to be making today, starting off, we're going to be making a Victoria sponge. So Sally?
No challenge.
No challenge. So Sally, where do we begin? What do we start?
At the sink.
So cool. So first of all, what we're all going to do, what I'm going to do, and what if you're going to follow me at home, and hopefully you will do, most important thing, nice and hygienic, we're going to wash our hands. So as you can see, my hands are all nice and clean. As always anyway.
Okay, so ready to go. As Steve said, we are making a Victoria sponge. And we're going to use a rather easier recipe, which is called an all-in-one Victoria sponge. So we've set the ingredients out, but I'll go through what we're using. We're using self-raising flour, okay, and I've got 120 grams of that, what Steve has. We've got sugar, okay, you can use, if you don't want caster sugar, you can use granulated, that's fine, and 120 grams of that. Margarine, 120 grams, you get a bit of steam going on now. And then we've got 3 eggs. Okay, so the first thing that I'd like you to do, Steve, is to sift the flour into the bowl. So you tip that in. If you just lift it up slightly, just tap the side of the sieve.
That.
Yeah. And that's self-raising flour that we're using, okay? But we are going to add at this stage a teaspoon of baking powder as well to help give it a bit of extra lift.
Cool. Why do we sieve the flour, Sally?
You sieve the flour to get the aerated, okay? Because a successful sponge really works with the more air you can get into it and mix it.
Brilliant.
Okay.
So teaspoonful of
just a level teaspoon, yeah.
baking powder.
Yeah.
A bit too much out. Trying to escape.
Right, lovely.
Good sugar.
So once you've got that in, and probably again,
Yep.
about half a capful of the vanilla essence.
This
You
is the
mentioned the vanilla essence. That's
is the
optional.
good
You don't
stuff,
have
isn't
to
it?
have it, which is good stuff, yeah.
So just half a cup of this.
Half a cup, yeah.
Yep.
So it's very concentrated, yeah. But you might at this stage want to put, you might have some different flavours you wanted to use. Use a lemon essence, or some people might put almond in. Obviously we're aware of that there's not allergy or anything, but yeah.
Brilliant.
So now you can just add all the ingredients to the bowl.
So we have the marge and then the eggs in.
Yeah. And then we'll get to the dangerous bits in a minute.
Ooh, that's the bit that I'm looking forward to. I've got to put the sugar in as well, haven't I?
Yeah, the sugar. So rather than with this recipe, we put everything in the bowl. Some of you might have made a sponge before where you cream the butter and the sugar together. We're not doing that. Everything goes in the bowl and will get mixed.
I'm having a cracking time here, Sally.
Yeah. Doing well there.
So it's 3 eggs that we're using, isn't it?
Using 3 eggs, yeah.
That one was a bit tough.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh,
Spoke too soon. Spoke too soon.
saved it.
There you go.
Done it with no eggshell in.
Yeah, brilliant. Okay. But if you do get a bit of eggshell in,
It adds to the taste.
yeah.
So if everyone can see that,
So if you do have a bit of eggshell in, just pick out one of the hard shells and just scoop it up with that. It tends to stick to it.
real
Yeah.
good
Okay.
stuff.
So right, so you're ready to
Top tips.
So-
Okay.
So you've got all the ingredients in now.
Yep.
Now the next stage, we're going to use a electric whisk, but you can also use a wooden spoon. It's just a bit more work. Okay.
And I don't like work.
Yeah. Top tip with this though is that when you put your mixer in that bowl,
Yeah.
don't have it on full.
Okay, so start off nice and low. Is one enough?
Yeah, one's enough to begin with. Otherwise what happens? The flour gets.
Top tip. So I bet people at home were wishing that you hadn't told me that, Sally, because they would have been begging for you to let that one
I
go.
was just thinking that.
Right, here goes. Okay,
Yeah.
is that this one?
That one, yeah.
So that's
It's nice and bendy, so you can
palette knife.
push it in the shape of the bowl.
Yeah, so we can do all this up. Yeah,
Yeah, you normally find bits of butter and things that I haven't got mixed in.
we've got bits of egg, bits of butter. Make sure it all gets in, scrape it round the bottom. And then just give that another quick whisk.
Another whisk, yeah.
Brilliant.
What you're wanting it to do is to go paler. Okay, so quite yellow at the moment.
Looks quite pale.
Yeah. Whisk it a bit more.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, and it will gradually go a bit paler, and that tells you there's more air getting into the mixture.
Brilliant. So what I'll do is once I've whisked it a little bit more, guys, I'll bring it up to the camera so you can see. Ah, there you go.
Well, I'm glad I stood over here.
Luckily it was only a little bit.
Take the beets off, yeah.
Making a bit of a mess.
Yeah? Okay, so, right, so what we need to do is just have a quick tidy up, move the bowls
Okay.
out of the way. Okay,
So I just move that out of the way and just leave that there for now.
okay, yeah. Okay, so next thing is to prepare your tins. So we've got 2 tins there. And they're about, I'll say they're about 8-9 inches, those ones. So perhaps a little bit big for our purposes, but they'll be okay.
Okay.
It'll work. Right, so what you need to do now is, there should be some oil in that cupboard down by your leg.
This?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want to put a little tiny touch in a bowl.
In a bowl.
Oh, yeah. We'll put them in.
Okay. Thank you, Sally.
Okay.
When we say a touch, you mean just a little
Only
bit?
about a tablespoon.
Tablespoon.
Yeah.
So a tablespoon's like a big spoon, a little bit bigger.
That.
Yep.
Yeah, one of those.
So
Okay.
I'll put that in there.
Yeah. So I've put a pastry bush on the side there for you.
Okay, thank you.
So it's just dip. In fact, just
Should we take this
little bit
greaseproof
more,
paper out?
just- Yeah.
On the greaseproof paper.
Take a piece of paper out.
Oh, sorry. Take the greaseproof paper out. So all round the.
Yeah, just a tiny bit around the sides as well, but it's just to help stop the cake from sticking. The one I did this morning, I didn't put any grease at the bottom, it stuck a bit.
So another top tip, guys, make sure that not too much, but just so it covers the base and covers around the sides. So the cake, when it's baked, comes out nice and easy.
In theory.
And I'm hoping that in practice that's the case. I've got a lot of pressure on me, there's a lot of people waiting to taste this cake. I've made big promises this morning that it's going to taste delicious.
It will do. It'll be amazing. We should know there's no such thing as bad cake.
Yeah, that's also very true.
So this sponge mix that we've made, you could actually use it like one I did in a loaf tin. You turn it into a lemon drizzle cake.
Could we make school cake with it?
School cake?
Yeah, so I think it's just basically sponge with icing on.
Yeah, do that.
Cool.
I never called it school cake.
I think it's just called school cake because it's what you used to get when you were in school.
We used to get the jam on top.
Oh,
jam
nice.
and coconut.
Nice.
Or sometimes we'd get a chocolate one and mint custard.
Oh yeah, I remember that one, yeah.
Right, so now if you just pop your, if you could show the paper discs. Yeah.
So we've got some paper discs.
One on the right needs to go because that's got.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So I just drew around the bottom of the tin and cut out a couple of discs. We're going to place those on top of where you greased it.
On top?
Yeah. So they should fit properly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like a dream.
Yeah. Just push them down, and that will help with when the cake stops sticking on the bottom.
Yeah.
Okay. Super.
Cool.
And you can, if you want, just run your brush over that again on top. But again, tiny bit of whatever it is. Although these tins are quite good, they don't tend to stick that much.
Right.
So now all you do is split the mixture between the two.
Ooh, quite evenly.
Quite even, yeah.
Am I okay to use the wooden spoon?
Yeah, that's fine.
I think a lot of people know that I like to use the wooden spoon.
You don't need to stir this though.
Yeah. This is just it. So if we put the oven on, Sally, we have, haven't we?
We've pushed it on. We're using the one that's just down by Steve's knees. And that's a fan oven which we've set to 170. If you're using a long fan oven, I would perhaps crank it up to 180 and probably about a gas mark 4-ish if you're using a gas. But just beware, every oven is different. Yeah. So some ovens run really hot, you might have to adjust the temperature down a bit. Some are a little bit slower.
So this way we use our...
Well, I just bang. I just get hold of the tin and just bang it.
Okay. So we're going to try and... Oh yeah, look, we can just do that.
Yeah, I just bang. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. Because it will spread when it goes in the oven.
I see.
Yeah, because as the fat melts and things, it's yeah.
Cool.
Obviously, what you want to try not to do is get too much floating at the sides of the tin because that those bits will burn. That's fine. That.
Okay.
Spread out. Okay.
Right.
So the oven's up to temperature.
Okay.
We're going to put these in the middle of the oven, but we'll have to use the two trays. I'll put one on the middle shelf.
Yep.
And I'll just put on the top shelf, but make sure the white's in the middle.
Okay.
This oven tends to get quite hot on one side.
Right.
Yeah.
So guys, when you're at home, ask a responsible adult to put your cake mix into the oven because it is quite warm.
And we have got oven gloves at the side there as well.
We've got oven gloves, so I'm going to use the oven gloves. And for those of a certain age and vintage, also one for Christmas, is a Dougal Prague Away kit. Certain people will know what I mean by that. Joy Division oven gloves.
You're right, because you're in with the tea towels, just getting it out with them.
Yeah.
Yeah. The thing is though, Steve, you've got to be careful with using tea towels because sometimes it might be wet.
Yeah.
And so if you grab hold of something hot, you should revert that.
So they're right in the middle of the oven now.
Yeah.
And then do we close it?
We close it, yeah.
Close that oven.
Those are going to take about 20, 25 minutes to cook.
Brilliant. So guys, the sponge now has been in the oven for 20-25 minutes.
Yeah, I'm just going to lift it out, check, so I can see that they're done.
So I'm just going to, again, using my oven gloves, and if there is an adult with you, please get the adult to use the oven for you, or at least supervised. I've got a responsible adult with me because I can't be trusted. And there's the first sponge. So Sally, are you happy with that?
Yeah, you see,
nice and light and brown.
You see it shrunk a bit. Okay, so that side.
So yeah, it has shrunk a little bit. I'm not happy with that.
That's
I
fine.
wanted more cake.
Let's shrink away from the side of the tin. That's it.
Yeah. So, and there you go. As you can see, nice light golden colour.
And John's just passing by and his mouth is watering.
John's supervising me. So we switch the oven off now, yeah?
Yeah, switch it off, yeah. So it's the right hand knob,
Oh, yeah.
turn to the top.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, if you just gently, either you can use a skewer for it, or just a finger. If you touch the top of that sponge,
Okay.
it should just spring.
Oh yeah, nice and spongy.
Yeah. Or I use a.
My hands are clean, you've washed me clean
Just
before.
spongy, it will spring back up. But what you can also use is use a skewer. So you can insert the skewer into the cake and lift it out, and it's got cake mixture on it. It's not cooked. If the skewer comes out clean, it's cooked.
Yeah, so you're seeing that?
Right, now,
Nice and spongy.
so what we need to do is turn them out of the tin. You need your oven gloves for that.
Need the oven gloves again.
Yeah. Now you can run around the edge with a small knife.
This is the bit that I'm nervous about. So where do we turn them out onto
the tray, yeah. Just upside down.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Doof. That's one.
One,
That excited.
two. In fact, I think it's probably got a way of making a bit more mixture for these size tins.
Yes.
Right, next challenge.
So far, so good.
So the next challenge, you see I won't put all greaseproof paper on the top of them. You might need to move the jam actually.
Oh, yeah.
Just doing that. Let's just gently peel that back. Yeah.
Hey. And guys, if you haven't got smell-o-vision at home, now I know that only a certain few phones and televisions have got smell-o-vision now, but these smell amazing. If you're lucky enough to have smell-o-vision, you'll be able to smell. Sally, you can testify, can't we? Don't they smell delicious?
That's amazing. Amazing. So
that's why I needed to take up running, because I've got a belly for me cake.
right. So what we've done is we've got a cold cake. We need to make sure the cakes are cold before we put our fillings on. And Steve's special request was.
So we've got buttercream and the jam. So I've pre-made the buttercream. So what did we put in?
It's icy sugar and some butter or margarine.
What's that, Lisa?
A little bit of
Vanilla essence.
vanilla essence, that's the one.
And then, as you can see, whisk all that together. So I've used the whisk again. Been a bit lazy. I've used the electronic whisk, and I've whisked that until it goes like a lighter shade. It's like a, I don't know.
It's fluffy, yeah.
Yeah, like a fluffy white creamy colour. Would you call that?
Yeah.
Ecru? I don't know.
I put about probably 100 grams of butter and about 150 grams of icy sugar.
So 100 grams of butter, 150 grams of ice and sugar, a couple of drops of vanilla essence, mix it all together. Nice fluffy white, yeah. And then we're gonna.
Have you tasted it yet?
Haven't tasted it, no. I'll taste it when it's on the cake.
Yeah. The other thing when you make the buttercream, because it's icy sugar, is I tend to mix it first till the butter and the icy sugar starts to sort of come together. Because if you put all those beaters in,
Yeah. Didn't happen to me this time.
It did to me.
Please ask an adult to do this bit for you.
Yeah.
Maybe I should ask Sally, shouldn't I? But I'm going to give it a go. I am 21, so I am classed as an
Yeah.
adult.
Should we move the bowl specifically to your hands? If you put your hand on top of it, should I find if I need to wait, I put the hand on top of the cake,
Yep,
stops it sliding round, and then try and,
in the middle.
yeah, all the way through the middle. As straight a line as possible. But it doesn't matter if it's one piece, it still tastes good.
Cool, and then I've got to try and...
Just the tip, just check it up.
Oh,
If it does fall apart, we can glue it back together.
this is where I'm scared. Yeah, I've done it. I've done it.
Right.
Just,
So,
my cutting skills aren't great, guys, look. May not
yeah,
have
but
got
to be
the...
fair, it's your first one though, isn't it?
May not have got me
Yeah.
cool. So we've got to use the palette knife now to...
Yeah.
We're using all of this, or are we got to save some for the...
Save some of that one as well. Depends how much buttercream you like. Do you like lots of buttercream?
I don't actually like cream, so the only one that I really sort of like, I'll have a little bit of buttercream, that's why I've requested it,
Yeah.
because I've got to taste it myself, haven't I? So just, yeah, and then smooth it.
Yeah, if you just move your bowl so you can see what you're
Oh,
doing.
sorry guys,
And the other gloves, yeah.
not used to being on camera. So it does become a bit sticky to the sponge, guys, so you've got to be really careful.
I just stick a blob on and then spread it out in the middle.
Ah.
Yeah. Do you want jam on it, Steve?
We'll put jam on that one, eh? We'll
Just buttercream on this one.
yeah, we're just trying to show the young people how to do it at home, but we'll put. And what I'll do, guys, as well is, just so you know, that once I put the buttercream and jam on that one, I will get it posted onto social media for you, and maybe, just maybe, get a picture of some of the team
Eating.
enjoying it. So, am I putting that back on now, Sally?
Yeah, so just mix it quite carefully. Well, again, you slide your palette knife underneath it, that would help.
Ah, yeah. That's why Sally's here, because Sally's the one in the know, she's the clever one. I turn it round as well so that side's by me, slide it under,
Let's lift it up.
lift it up. There you go, I've dressed Sally's sponge from earlier on.
Yeah, and if you wanted to, you could sprinkle a bit of icing sugar on it.
Do we use the sieve again, do we?
Yeah, but the sieve in the sink.
Pardon, the sieve's here.
Oh, sorry.
Is that okay, yeah? Just get the remaining flabber off.
Finish that, that out.
Thank you.
What you do is lovely.
There you go, guys.
Now there we have it,
Victoria sponge.
made by Steve.
Thank you very much, Sally.
You're welcome. So
Thank
what we'll
you.
do next week?
Guys, let us know what you want us to make next week. We're open to suggestions, as long as it's not a gourmet meal, because I think we will struggle. But if there's any of your favourite food that we could maybe recreate,
Quick and easy dishes.
yeah, we could make it. We could maybe make a bolognese or a curry, some different pasta dishes. Maybe if there's a different dessert that you'd like to see us make, let
Stir
us know.
fries.
Yeah, stir fries. Yeah, cool, brilliant.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Enjoy,
See you soon.
guys.
Yeah.
Show us your pictures. Let us see how your Victoria sponges turn
Yeah.
out.
I'll show you what, Steve.
I don't know. I think I've done okay there.
You've done really well.